G'day, Ben Walkham from Astute Asset Management. What you're looking at here is an exposed aggregate driveway. We've come in yesterday and give it a good clean so that we get rid of the installation grime. Just exposes the rocks the way they should be, gets rid of the concrete on top. And then we come in the next day when it's dry and apply a penetrating sealer. So it looks like as if nothing's happened to this surface after the clean until you get some water on it, which I can show you a quick demonstration here. As you can see, the water's just beating off that surface like a newly waxed car. So that's how you know whether something's been sealed, and with that, it doesn't add any slip factor to it and it doesn't give you a squeak when it's wet. So there is some other sealers that sit on top of the surface, which they call a topical sealer, and that gives you a little bit of a squeak on it, and it just doesn't, it's a little bit higher in maintenance and just doesn't last as long as the penetrating sealers. So if you're looking for a low maintenance option with a high quality penetrating sealer, we can definitely lead you in the right direction.